Welcome to this special edition of Dave's Cooking Show, and this is a response to, well, we all know who, actual Jake's response to my breakfast bowl dish, in which Jake didn't make my breakfast bowl, he made biscuits and gravy, and I don't know what the hell he was thinking doing that, but here's my shot at it. Here are some biscuits. Cook these according to the package directions. No, I didn't make the biscuits from scratch. Piss off. And then you want to cook up 1 pound of breakfast sausage. All right, as you can see here, the sausage is browned up. And so you want to add 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Kind of stir the sausage around, get it coated just a little bit. And then you want to roughly add about 3.5 cups of milk. Actually, I would recommend whole milk. And by the way, the caloric difference between whole milk and skim milk is about 50. And the amount of fat between whole and skim is 4%. So get the fucking whole milk. Get the good shit. And then you just want to cook this, stirring fairly frequently for roughly 10 to 12 minutes. Also, don't forget to add the salt and abundant pepper. Okay, as you can see here, the sauce is bubbling away. And again, we're adding the salt and we're adding the pepper. Okay, time to plate this up. Take 2 biscuits that I cut open and toasted a little bit. Now, when I was researching biscuits and gravy, I wanted to do a side. I just didn't want to do straight up biscuits and gravy. These are some of the sides that was recommended. So I cooked up some chorizo sausage and sliced it up. And gonna place that on top of our biscuits. And then we're gonna take our gravy, place that all on top. Don't worry, it's supposed to look that thick. And one of the other ones that I found that I thought was really interesting was French fries. I mean, there's no way to make biscuits and gravy healthy, so you might as well just go full bore. So, that's my take on biscuits and gravy. So whose is better? Mine or the corn cobs?